Morning. So it's like 6:50 a.m. A little bit late getting up today. Gonna go for a little run before school. Maybe just do like 3 kilometers, something like that. Just get her going. Get her going. All right. So that's done. 3 kilometers. Most of that was like 5-minute, 5:30 per kilometer pace. But 1 kilometer, somewhere in there, was sub 4:30 pace, which is what I like to get in these daily morning runs, at least 1 kilometer at sub 4:30 pace. And yeah, that's good. Worked up a good sweat. Got my appetite going. Gonna make a banana smoothie, then go to school. And shower. Definitely shower.
Right, you know it's like V and A, vocab and A.
Gonna go get some lunch. We've got a restaurant close to the school here.
Put it as, oh no, I can just feel that I've got some. So yeah, I figured.
So just finished up at school, hit up the mango shop on the way back. Got a backpack full of mangoes. And yeah, gonna go chill, maybe go for a swim.
Man, this guy's not looking too hot. What's going on, buddy?
Here, I'll let somebody know about that dog there. Man, I don't know what happened to that dog, but he's looking like he's in pretty rough shape. I talked to the owner of the apartment, and she said that, oh, there he is, the dog lives over there. But the owners aren't going to be home till, I don't know, a couple hours, so I don't know what happened to that dog, but I mean, he's doing okay, but he's kind of bleeding. And like, I don't know what happened to him, but that's a bummer.
That right there is the kind of sky that makes me want to stay home.
So that storm is definitely heading this way. It's getting closer and closer, and I'm basically 100% sure it's going to be absolutely pouring rain in about 10 minutes. So I'm not going to go swim now. Maybe I'll go swim later. I don't know. Right now I'm just going to chill out. I think I'll play some guitar. I can't go outside. The rain's pouring down. Can't go outside, rain's pouring down. I think I best stay indoors and make some sound. Yeah.
It is time for that which is mango.
Oh man, that was delicious. Got a little mango tongue going on. Those mangoes are so good. I'm gonna miss them so much when mango season's over. Oh man, don't go away, mangoes. Stay with me. So, 5 of those mangoes for dinner, and satisfied. Don't need anything else. I was thinking about going to the market to get some more food, but I don't want any. I'm full. I don't need anything else. I'm gonna edit this video, get an early night in tonight, Didn't do any training this afternoon, just hung out, washed some clothes, played some guitar, chilled out. So tomorrow will be a big day for sure. I'm going to try to run in the morning and then bike and swim after school. So do a big day tomorrow. See you then. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see in these vlogs. Let me know what you think. I always like your feedback. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys next video.